Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. In this video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Vivo Y76 5G. So if in your device you are having any problem related to the headphone jack or your earphone jack is not working, like any connection problem, you can fix it by the methods I will tell you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the headphone jack and earphone jack problem in your device. Let's watch it.